Hi Ember Group, I hope everyone is okay and keep on doing your tasks. Thank you very much for the one who is doing it and send it by email. Today we will be learning about telling time and using AM and PM. You will need pencil and piece of paper. You will start writing the date on the right side on your piece of paper. You will also need to write your LI. Please pause the video to write your LI. LI to learn telling the time and using AM and PM. To learn telling time using AM and PM. But first of all, before telling you how to use AM and PM, we have this clock, and I will teach you how to use this clock in a simple way. We all know clock has two arms. This is the short arm and this is the long arm. The short arm indicates hours. The longer arm indicates minutes. In this lesson, we will use long arm to tell or indicate half past and a clock and half past. If I want to say, or if I want to show the time 5 o'clock, I will take my short arm that indicates hours. 5. Then where I'm going to put or indicate this longer arm, always on 12 if it's o'clock. 5 o'clock. 5 o'clock. Well, if I want to show 8 o'clock, I will be moving my shorter arm and put it on 8. 8 o'clock. 8 o'clock. 9 o'clock. Move my shorter arm that indicates hours. 9 o'clock. Have you noticed this long arm stays on 12 whenever I say o'clock, whenever there are no or 0 minutes? 9 o'clock. 10 o'clock. 11 o'clock. Or 3 o'clock. 2 o'clock. 1 o'clock. Or 12 o'clock. Now I will show you how to use half past. If I want to say half past 3, going to take this indicates 3 hours, and half past stays on 6. So whenever I want to say half past, the longer arm stays on 6. Half past 2. See? Half past 2. Half past 1. Half past 1. Half past 12. Hours. Half past. Half past 10. This is the shorter arm's going to be towards 10 and half past. So whenever I want to tell half past or to show half past, the longer arm stays on 6. Half past means 30 minutes past 10 or 30 minutes past 9. So half past and a clock. A clock. This is a clock and this is 1/2. What if I want to say 2 o'clock? Take the shorter arm that indicates hours, 2, and then we have this goes indicates 12. 2 o'clock, 2 o'clock. 5 o'clock, 5 o'clock. 5:30. This won't stay here if I want to say 5:30. This time tells me 5 o'clock, but I want it to be 5 o'clock, but I want it to be 5:30. So this, as I said before, is going to be on 6, towards 6. So this now, it is now 5:30. 5:30. 3:30. 3:30. So the shorter arm indicates hours and reading numbers 5 from 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. The longer arm, today we will learn how to use it to read 1/2 and o'clock. If it's o'clock, 1 o'clock is going to be on 12. 1 o'clock, 2 o'clock, 3 o'clock, 4 o'clock. If I want to use it to tell the time 1/2, it's going to be on 6. Always 1/2 and o'clock. Now I will tell you how to use or show you how to use AM and PM. Let's keep in our mind, if it's after midnight, 12, I'm going to use AM. If it's after midday, it's going to be PM. So if it's after midnight, it's going to be AM. If it's after midday, it's going to be PM. Here I have a clearer diagram. So as we said, if it's after midnight, it's going to be AM. 12 midnight, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. It's night time. And then sunrise, 6 or 7. Morning, 6. This is when you go to school, you wake up. 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. And then lunchtime. After midday, it's lunchtime. It's going to be PM. PM. 1, 2, 3. This is when you go home from school. 4, 5, 6. And then sunset. Sunset. 6, 7, 8. Nighttime. 9, 10, 11, 12, and midnight again. So, if it's after midnight, it's always AM until lunchtime. From lunchtime, it's going to be PM until 12 midnight. I have a task for us. Please pause the video to write your task. Task: use AM and PM in the right place. I have a few sentences. I need you to finish it, and by using AM or PM after the time. Number 1. I woke up. I woke up every day in the morning at 8:30. I have highlighted morning because words can tell you what you are going to use. It gives you a clue what to use, AM or PM. So I woke up every day in the morning at 8. Is it PM or AM? Number 2. My dad tells me bed story every night. Bed story every night. I have highlighted these words because definitely it will give you a clue of what you are going to use. Is it AM or PM? My dad tells me bed story every night at 8. Is it PM or AM? This is going to be here. This is bedtime. It's night. So what are you going to use? Remember, after midday, it's always PM. Number 4. We arrived home at sunset time. It was nearly 6:30. Is it AM or PM? Remember, where is sunset? This is our sunset. So they arrived at 6:30. Remember, after midday is going to be PM. And if it's after midnight, it's going to be AM. Thank you very much, Amber Group, for your listening, and I hope you have learned how to tell the time in a simple way using a clock, half past, and also using AM and PM. Please do your task and send it by email. Thank you very much and have a good day. Bye-bye.